Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be making s'mores. And I don't have marshmallows, so we will be using peanut butter. I never actually tried it, so let's start. So I'm going to be breaking a top 3, but only using 2, because we don't want to use too much chocolate. We want to make more. Well, yeah, I guess I need more. But still, we need to put it on top. But first, before we can put it on top, honestly, let's put the peanut butter on. I'm kind of worried because I've never tried this before, so I don't know if it tastes good or bad. But I'm gonna try it out, and we'll see how it turns out. No, I didn't prepare for a drink because, it's a s'more. So it shouldn't taste that bad because at least there's chocolate in it, right? So I wouldn't really taste the peanut butter, but I might since there's a lot of peanut butter. So let's put the chocolate on. Put the top on the chocolate. Let's see. I don't really taste the peanut butter. I mostly taste the chocolate, which is very delicious, but let's see. No, I don't really taste anything. What if I take off the cracker? Just eat this because there's peanut butter on it, see? That's like peanut butter right there. So what happens if I eat it? It tastes like peanut butter cups. Oh my god. Delicious. Very good. And as you know, it's very easy to make. All you need is a Hershey bar, graham cracker, crackers, and if you want to try it, peanut butter. You can go for it. It's very delicious. Without the graham cracker, it tastes like peanut butter cups. And if you guys do try it one day, comment down below and tell me if it tastes like peanut butter cups or not. Some people have different taste buds, which means some of you guys might say no, but some of you guys might say yes. And later on tonight, maybe, we might go night swimming, and I might make a video on that too, so hopefully you guys might see that too. It feels so good. If only it had a marshmallow, I can literally put that on. But I don't. So you guys know, naked. But this doesn't say naked because that's not what the brand is. I usually drink the brand from Naked, but since I don't have, I'm trying to get it from like where they usually come from. Well, actually I did get it from, it is actually Naked, but this doesn't say it. But as you see, backwards I think, it says Naked, so it says Naked. But usually, I guess they call it the green machine. From where I get them from, I get them from around here, but I didn't get it from around here. I got it from like Long Beach or Tustin. So I guess they call it the green machine since it's the green drink. And this is what they have. You can't see it, but it says apples, mango, pineapple, banana, kiwi, and then this is spirulina. I don't know what this is. That's a very long word. And then it says right here alfalfa, and then it says broccoli, and then it says spinach, all that healthy stuff. And me and my mom, my sister drink this because it's very good. But it's just the aftertaste that disgusts us out. You don't need a small Hershey bar, but since I didn't get just a small Hershey bar, I got this. I got this large one, and it says for the Smore. And if you look in the inside, there's 2 more packages right there. And I guess they're the regular size packages. So there was 3 at first, but I got the 3rd one. So look. Alright guys, so subscribe, like this video, turn on notifications, and you'll see my next video, which is tonight. Peace.